To install a VPN on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all, we can go to the Play Store. Once we go to the Play Store, in here we can use the search option and we can simply search for VPN. You can type this phrase, or if you know the name of the specific VPN app that you want to have on your phone, then of course you can search for it in here and you should be able to find the app. Now in this case, if I just type VPN, then I can find many different example VPN apps. And I'm just gonna choose this one as an example, and we can go ahead and install the app. Now I'm gonna show you how to set it up in this specific case. It is quite similar for many of these apps and most of them are free. In many cases, if not in all of these cases, we can also find some sort of like premium offers, but you don't really have to agree to pay for them if you just want to use the app for free. So in this specific case, we don't even have to create an account. We can continue as a guest, which is very convenient, of course. So in my case, I'm just going to tap on continue as guest. Then you might be able to see the premium offer. So in that case, I'm just going to tap on not now over here. And then you should be able to connect to a random server. Now, since this app allows us to only do so, we cannot really choose a server specifically or a country. Then of course we can just choose or let the app randomly pick for us. Usually it is the fastest free server, but we should be able to change the server when needed. And that is pretty much it. Of course, remember to check settings. Some different apps provide different settings that are probably worth checking out by some people if you want to try to find some adjustments that you might want to do. But that is generally speaking all. And now we can, of course, easily use a VPN app on our phone. Leave a like and subscribe.